And here we go, truck fans. This is what amazes me about these units right here. Check out how beautiful it is. I mean, that was really nice looking. It's an F-150 for 1978. Look at the estimate, 60 to 70 grand. That proves the point that these old trucks, they're very popular. They've got very strong book values on them. And it's no wonder, because actually they're freaking beautiful. The way this one is lifted with those big tires on there and the wheels, it's really beautifully done. That classic late 70s look. And there's a bidder looking underneath to make sure everything's all right. Cool. Very Spartan, very utilitarian, but still beautiful by the same token, because just look at the striping on that. Yeah, got some patina under there. Could be expected. Look at this bare metal. I guess that's what they did back then. That shows you that this thing's not been monkeyed with. And look at it. There you go. 351. So there you have it, gang. A potential of a $70,000 truck from 1978. This is God's Garage. And trucks are hot.